Hey guys, Steve here. Welcome to my Power Lead System team, right? In this video, what I want to do is just introduce myself, show you I'm a real person, and let you know that we can crush this thing. There's a few key concepts that I just need to tell you real quick in order to ensure that we all are successful as a team. The main thing you need to do is immediately set up your system, and I'm going to show you how. That's what this page is set up to do. You need to, secondly, immediately start sending traffic to the system that you set up, right? And then thirdly, you need to make sure you get to the training or watch the videos in the back office so you can understand what's really going on in the system. You don't need to upgrade or do anything else. For right now, you just need to start getting traffic to your new Power Lead System opportunity. And as we go along, you'll see other valuable things that you can do with this system here. It is a powerful capture page builder, a powerful marketing platform for any opportunity. At the same time, the compensation is very, very lucrative, and I'm going to show you that. As you know, you have a 7-day free trial. It's really important. I'm using words, but it's really important that you really set up your system and start getting traffic to it so you can build the momentum. Let the system do what it needs to do, which automatically follows up, and so you can start getting those welcome. You have a new gold member emails. So what I want to do is I want to show you the compensation plan real quick, go over it, and then we can jump back over here to this. Okay. So here's the brief compensation plan. This is the sales page. If you remember, you came over on. You started your free trial, right? You clicked that, it walked you through the sign up process for your 7-day free trial. Here, there's also a link to show you just a quick overview of the compensation plan, how it works, right? Just imagine if you can get 4 gold members per week. These is what your numbers would look like, right? You would have a $80 week 1, a $240 week 2, and this is with all the getting 4 people a week on how the compensation plan works, right? So let's just jump back here. We can get a visual. This is a all-in-one marketing platform. You get all the tools you need to run any business, right? Here's the compensation plan video again. This is a brief overview of how the compensation plan works. As you get signups, you're going to earn $20 off of every new member you bring in, but also you're going to earn off of every downline member your team brings in, right? So that's what's powerful, but that's why we have to immediately start duplicating the system, because once you do that, that's when it works, right? So if you just copy my steps, set up your system, start running traffic with the traffic source that I'm telling you, you're going to get gold member sign up. But the key is you need to tell your team to do the same thing, and that's where the Power Lead system comes in super handy, right? With the duplication and replication. Again, here's your free trial. That's what you did. So in order to make the most out of our 7-day free trial, we need to immediately start taking action today. So let's jump back over to, where was I at here? Nope, right here. So this is going to be your welcome email here. And I'm going to just do a quick walkthrough of what it is here. So this video that I'm recording now will be right here. Here's my contact information if you have any questions or concerns, right? It says, I see you have partnered with me in the Power Lead system, which is Power Lead System, PLS for short. Since you signed up under me, I'm offering my help to get you set up. First thing you need to do, join the Facebook group. You clicked here, it takes you to the official Power Lead System Facebook group where we have over 48,000 members. And you come in here and you see people are welcoming other people. Just come in, sign up. There's other training and other tips and tricks. You see here, congratulations, Matt. He got, these are the commissions he's getting in. The key is, though, is to get your team to duplicate the same success. And then as we go along, we can learn other things to do with the Power Lead system. Here goes Bones welcoming David Santiago into the group. Other people showing you what you can do with the Power Lead system, like create bridge pages. Here's a shout out to my team member, Levi Evans, who just joined as a gold. Ace and Rich welcoming 2 gold members from Thailand, and it goes on and on. But that's where our successes and our accomplishments and our proofs are going on, and the training is inside the Power Lead System Facebook group. So make sure you sign up there. Every week there's a weekly, let's zoom in a little bit. Every week there's a 10 o'clock weekly call. where they go over live in the Facebook group training. So I advise you to attend so you can see a little bit how the system is set up, right? So while you're setting up your system, make sure you consider your budget. Your budget meaning your traffic budget. The Power Lead system by itself is $30 a month as a customer if you're only using the platform as a tool to promote any business that you have. But if you want to come in as an affiliate, it'd be $53 a month. But guess this, get this. If you get 3 signups under you, it's basically free because your commissions will pay for the platform. So that's the target. Let's get 3 to 4 people every week, and we can start paying for our system and generating the commissions. Now, I want to show you something real quick, how possible it is to get people into this platform for free. And I'm going to hop over to my Facebook page and just show you how I got 3 people already today, right? So this came over today, 1 hour ago. I have a new customer, gold member. That's $20 a month. Earlier last night, I got one here at $12.14. That's $20 per month residual. And here's another one right here. That's another. That's 3 people. So that's basically $20 a pop per person. That's $60 residual a month that I'm going to make. That covers my monthly fee. That's why it's important to drive traffic to your opportunity using the traffic sources that I suggest, and then you will have the same success, right? You get 3, it's free, everything else is profit. That's the key. That's why we need to do this rapido, right now, fast and in a hurry. Get your system off. And the next step down here is the fast start, right? Right here, take note to this, where I say only upgrade up to what you can afford. And I'll show you that in a minute, where in the back office of the Power Lead system, there are other ways that you can make additional commissions, right? And we can go further into that, but I'll show you real quick. So if I jump over to my Power Lead system back office, let me log in and I'll just show you. There's other ways that you can make additional commissions. Also, there's Lead Generation Academy to teach you how to do leads. Now here, if you go here, you'll be a gold member, $54 a month. That qualifies you to make $20 per person plus $10 for your team, each team member. This is a commission by itself where you can earn an additional $100, right? One-time pay. Then here's another way that you can make an additional $400 one-time pay. And here's a way that you can make, this is 90, this is 100, and this is an additional $400. And the highest level, you can make an additional $1,000 one-time commission. So there are ways that you can upgrade and take advantage of the multiple income streams that are inside the Power Lead system, right? So let's jump back over here to our sheet. So that's why I say only upgrade up to what you can afford. And I just highly suggest keep it basic. Come in as the member, paying the monthly fee, bring other people in. As you start making additional commissions, you upgrade and go all in as fast as possible, so you don't miss those commissions, right? The next here, I have the setup instructions, the fast start setup. You click here, and this walks you through a system set up by a top earner, Frank Calabro, who walks you through, right? Walks you through how to set up step by step, plugging in the affiliate links where you need to, setting up your first forever wealth system funnel, okay? He walks you through it. He even shows you how to get traffic. It's all right here. He also gives you bonuses of different concepts and mind training and social distribution, how to post on social media, how to do different things like that, and worksheets that allow you to be able to track your spending, track your budget for your traffic, your opens, your clicks, and etc. Right? So that's here. That will set you up. You get started with this today, you'll be set up in your system within the hour, right? That's why it's called Fast Start. Click here. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, here's my recommendation, and I keep repeating it in this video. Set up your system as soon as possible. Get traffic going to your site as soon as possible. Send me your link so I can help you get traffic, right? You're not going to get 1 million clicks, but I will get you 1 or 2, just putting you in my team rotator as a paying member, that you will get some traffic, right? And start learning the system. Now, What I mean by start learning a system, just go through the back here. Go to the getting started. Go to the click the easy button. Watch the videos. Watch the additional things that you get. Go through the training. Go up here, click on the training. Go to this training here. This is free training. Talks all about how these capture pages work, how you as a beginner can set up your stuff. You can promote other opportunities, how to get domain names, how to get better email deliverability. It's all in the system, right? And as a customer or a gold member, which you are, you have access to all of this, okay? So the training is all here. So log in, get into the training after you get set up and after you send me your link so I can help you, right? So that's that out of the way, right? So now the Power Lead system. Oh, here's the weekly overview training, which the Fast Start will help you how to set up, right? So if you click here, I'll just show you that every week this video changes. Franco, who is a top earner in the Power Lead system and a top affiliate marketer in general, he gives you a class on lead generation and how to properly promote the Power Lead system. And basically, he keeps it simple. Exactly how I told you. Get your capture page, get your traffic, and repeat, right? And plug into training, right? So he keeps it simple, but you'll get this same identical page that you can also share with your downline. It's important, right? Now, here's a little note here. As a gold member, you have 7-day free trial. I can help you set up the back office if you upgrade to the diamond level, which is a one-time $147 upgrade. But as always, I'll help you through. But if you want me to personally set it up for you, you have to upgrade to the diamond level at the minimum, right? And here's the step-by-step instructions again that lead you back to Frank's funnel setup. Now, I also included a 10-week Power Lead system plan so you can get a visual, like I just showed you, of how much you can make in 10 weeks, right? You can bring in an extra $8,000, right? It's possible by bringing in 4 people a week, and if you use the traffic sources that I suggest, that shouldn't be a problem, okay? So let's go down further. Here are the traffic sources here. You click here to get the traffic. I made a page connected because it's that fire, right? Here's the #1 recommended source as of 12/19. It's produced those 3 gold members that I showed you today, right? And here are some other traffic sources that you can get traffic on, and here's some additional bonus training. So finally, when you get down to the bottom here, you'll see the email that I send to all new signups under my on my team. And here's the subject line. It just says welcome to PLS. You say, hey, their team name, your team member's name, and you can change this as needed. This is just a guideline of what I send all the way up to here. So basically, from the subject line here all the way down to here, and you can put your picture, your contact information, okay? So this is just a template that you can copy and paste to your email in order to get your team members the information. Now, if you look down here, you'll put your contact information here. Also, I put the Forever Wealth System step-by-step instructions here in the email. Now, once you walk through the Fast Start training, you'll have your own step-by-step instructions, and you just replace the link. Also, if you walk through Franco through the Fast Start training, it'll show you how to set up the Power Lead System Hangout, so you can also put your link there. This is just the general company login link, and here's the standard official Power Lead System YouTube channel, right? And I'll click here and I'll show you where you can get additional training. They post all the YouTube videos for the Power Lead System here, as you can see. And it just goes over all the weekly trainings. You can always catch them here. Okay, so it's perfect for you just to get additional information, right? And then I go over the simple freedom formula that Franco Gonzalez teaches. Keep it simple. You get in, get all in, get traffic, and get to the training. And that's simple. And again, I put this at the bottom of the email so you can connect with me on Facebook. You can also connect with me on YouTube. So just some additional resources I have here at the bottom. Like many members are having success with this opportunity here. This actually promotes the Power Lead system in a different system, which you can click and check out. I give some resources about get response, autoresponder if needed. I give traffic exchange for a simple traffic exchange to help you promote your new system for free. There's going to be more resources here. There's also just a quick mode of operation, daily operation here, some additional notes, some additional traffic here, and also some additional resources and tools that you can find on how to make little posts for your Facebook and different things like that. Okay. So anyway, and down here at the bottom, I show you a video with Screenomatic Web Creator so you can make your own videos. But anyway, this was just a quick overview, and welcome to the group. You know, and always reach out if you got any more questions. But I just wanted to say welcome to the group. I'm providing this page to give you some kind of extra help and resources. But I advise you, just like I said, set up your system, get me the information, the link. I can help you get traffic and start driving traffic to your system so you can get at least 3 to 4 signups a week. But that's all that I got. And once again, welcome to the Power Lead System family. Don't forget, go to the Facebook group, sign up, set up your system, send me your link, and start driving traffic. All right, that's all that I got. All my contact information is below the video. Reach out if you need help. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.